am Dr. Anita Chandak, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, DRB Sindhu Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. Today I will tell you what is pasteurization. Pasteurization is the technique of heating the food at specific time and temperature. Now, which foods can be pasteurized? Milk, which we get in the packets, that is a pasteurized milk. Many of the food products, milk products, are pasteurized. Then cream, eggs, fruit juices, all these when preserved, they have to be pasteurized because pasteurization kills the microorganisms which are present in that food, and that will help to preserve the food from food spoilage. Now, what is pasteurization? Pasteurization is a heat treatment and involves the heating food to a temperature that kills disease-causing microorganisms and substantially reduces the level of spoilage. This is what I have told you before, that pasteurization is the treatment of heating food at particular time and temperature, which will kill the microorganisms, which will reduce the spoilage. Pasteurization is not intended to kill all microorganisms in food. Only particular disease-causing organisms or pathogens are killed in the pasteurization. Because we will take the example of milk. Milk is pasteurized. So the organism which is a predominant over there is a lactobacillus. But when we are pasteurizing the milk, the lactobacillus is not killed over there. Only the pathogens present or the disease-causing organisms are killed. The heating may be by use of a which are there are different techniques of pasteurization. You can use the steam, hot water, dry heat, or electric currents, and the other products uh, which can be used. Other means of heating can be used, and these products which are once heated have to be cooled promptly after the heating. That is the way of pasteurization. Other is heating also destroys enzyme that make the milk spoil. So pasteurized milk drinkable for a long time. Now, when we are pasteurizing the things, or when we are pasteurizing the milk, for example, the enzymes which are present in the milk, which are responsible for the uh, spoilage of the milk, are destroyed over there, and due to which we can use the pasteurized milk for a longer period of time. Now, what are different applications of pasteurization? When more rigorous heat treatments might harm the quality of the milk. When one aim is to kill pathogen, as with the market milk. Third is when the main spoilage organisms are not very heat resistant, such as the yeast in the fruit juices. When any spoilage organisms will be taken care of by additional preservative methods to be employed. When competing organisms are to be killed. So these are the factors which should be taken into consideration when we are going for the pasteurization. Thank you.